Nothing ruins a steak or a whole barbecue faster than guessing the temperature and getting it wrong. Undercooked chicken, overdone brisket, or dried out pork, all avoidable with the right meat thermometer. Don't risk another meal. Check out the top-rated meat thermometers that take the guesswork out of cooking. Links to each product are waiting for you in the description box below. Let's begin our exploration of the best meat thermometer options with the Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer, a device that has become a staple for grillers, pitmasters, and home cooks alike. When you use this thermometer, you immediately notice the attention to detail in its design. Everything from the sturdy, waterproof construction to the bright backlit display is engineered for ease of use and reliability. The thermometer boasts an ultra-fast response time, delivering accurate readings in just 2 to 3 seconds. This rapid feedback allows you to check the temperature of your meats without losing valuable heat from your grill or oven, ensuring every cut is cooked to perfection. One of the standout features of the Alpha Griller's model is its versatility. Whether you're grilling steaks on a summer evening, roasting a turkey for the holidays, or baking bread in your kitchen, this thermometer adapts seamlessly to any culinary environment. The probe is sharp and slender, which means it pierces meat easily and causes minimal juice loss, preserving the flavor and texture of your food. The large, easy-to-read digital display is equipped with a backlight, so you can check temperatures even during nighttime barbecues or in dimly lit kitchens, making it a strong contender for the best digital meat thermometer. Durability is another hallmark of the Alpha Griller's meat thermometer. The waterproof design means you can rinse it under running water after use, simplifying cleanup and ensuring hygiene. Its compact size and magnetic back allow you to store it conveniently on your grill, fridge, or even in your apron pocket, so it's always within reach when you need it. The auto shutoff feature helps conserve battery life, ensuring your thermometer is ready for action whenever you're preparing your next meal. In numerous meat thermometer reviews, the Alpha Griller's model is frequently highlighted as one of the best-rated meat thermometer choices for its accuracy, speed, and user-friendly design. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or just starting your culinary journey, you'll find this thermometer to be a trustworthy companion, helping you achieve perfect results dish after dish. Moving on, let's take a closer look at the ThermoPro TP16 digital meat thermometer, a classic choice for those who value simplicity and reliability. This thermometer features a large LCD display and an intuitive interface, making it incredibly easy to set your target temperature and monitor progress at a glance. The stainless steel probe is connected by a long heat-resistant cable, allowing you to keep the probe in your food while it cooks in the oven or on the grill, so you don't have to open the lid and lose heat. One of the key benefits of the TP16 is its programmable temperature alarm. You can set the desired doneness for different types of meat, and the thermometer will alert you when your food reaches the perfect temperature. This feature is especially useful for multitasking in the kitchen or during busy backyard barbecues, as you can focus on other tasks without worrying about overcooking your meal. The thermometer also includes preset USDA-approved temperatures for various meats, which can be a helpful guide for less experienced cooks. The durable stainless steel probe is built to withstand high temperatures and repeated use, making it a reliable companion for grilling, roasting, and smoking. The TP16's compact design and fold-out stand make it easy to position on your countertop or attach to your oven door with a built-in magnet. Cleanup is straightforward too, and the included timer function adds another layer of convenience for timing side dishes or rest periods. As one of the best-rated meat thermometer models, the ThermoPro TP16 stands out in meat thermometer reviews for its user-friendly design and consistent performance. Whether you're looking for the best barbecue thermometer or a dependable tool for everyday cooking, this model delivers accurate results with minimal fuss, making it a staple in many kitchens. Next, let's explore the Meter Plus Wireless Smart Meat Thermometer, a truly innovative addition to the world of digital thermometers. The Meter Plus is completely wireless, freeing you from tangled cords and allowing you to monitor your food from up to 165 feet away via Bluetooth connectivity. This is especially valuable when you're entertaining guests or moving between your kitchen and backyard, as you can keep an eye on your cook without being tethered to your grill or oven. The Meter app is a standout feature, offering guided cooking for a wide range of meats and doneness levels. You simply select your protein and preferred doneness, and the app walks you through the entire process, including estimated cook times and rest periods. The dual sensor probe measures both the internal temperature of your meat and the ambient temperature of your grill or oven, ensuring precise, consistent results every time. With its sleek stainless steel design and magnetic charging dock, the Meter Plus is as stylish as it is functional. The probe is waterproof and easy to clean, while the app provides real-time notifications and progress updates, so you're always in control. The extended Bluetooth range means you can relax indoors while your brisket smokes outside, confident that you'll be alerted as soon as your food is ready. Its wireless design, smart features, and accuracy make it a top pick in any best meat thermometer for grilling roundup, especially for those who value convenience and precision. Now, let's transition to the Typhur InstaProbe Core Thermometer, a professional-grade tool designed for those who demand both speed and accuracy. The InstaProbe features an ultra-fast response time, delivering temperature readings in under a second. This rapid feedback is perfect for high-stakes grilling or when you need to check multiple items quickly without losing heat from your grill or oven. The InstaProbe is fully waterproof and built with a robust ergonomic design that feels comfortable in your hand. The large backlit display is easy to read in any lighting conditions, making it ideal for evening barbecues or dimly lit kitchens. The probe is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting durability and precise readings with every use. Its ambidextrous design means it's equally comfortable for left and right-handed users. One of the most impressive aspects of the InstaProbe is its calibration accuracy. This thermometer is trusted by professionals and home cooks alike for its ability to deliver spot-on readings, whether you're grilling steaks, roasting poultry, or baking bread. The auto-rotating display ensures you can read temperatures from any angle, and the motion sensing technology puts the device to sleep when not in use, conserving battery life. The Typhur InstaProbe is often cited as one of the best digital meat thermometer options for those who prioritize speed and reliability. Its combination of professional-grade accuracy, user-friendly features, and rugged construction makes it a strong contender in this best meat thermometer comparison. Finally, let's take a look at the ThermoPro Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer, a model that has become a favorite in kitchens and backyards everywhere for its blend of affordability, accuracy, and ease of use. This thermometer features a foldable stainless steel probe that provides quick, accurate readings in just 3 to 5 seconds, making it ideal for checking steaks, burgers, or chicken on the grill. The waterproof body ensures you can rinse the thermometer under running water for easy cleaning, and the large backlit display makes it easy to read temperatures in any lighting. The ThermoPro's compact, lightweight design means you can slip it into your pocket or apron, so it's always within reach when you need it. The auto shutoff feature helps conserve battery life, ensuring your thermometer is ready whenever you fire up the grill or stove. This model also includes a calibration function, allowing you to maintain accuracy over time. The probe's thin tip minimizes juice loss and ensures you get precise readings without damaging your food. The built-in magnet allows you to attach the thermometer to your grill or refrigerator, keeping it handy during busy cooking sessions. The ThermoPro Instant Read is often praised as one of the best rated meat thermometer options for its reliability, speed, and value. Whether you're searching for the best meat thermometer for grilling, everyday cooking, or even candy making, this model stands out for its versatility and consistent performance, making it a top pick in any best digital meat thermometer guide. As you can see from this detailed best meat thermometer comparison, each model offers unique strengths, from lightning-fast readings and wireless convenience to professional-grade accuracy and user-friendly features. No matter which thermometer you choose, you can expect precise results and greater confidence in your cooking, whether you're grilling, roasting, or baking. Links to each meat thermometer are in the description box below.